You spent thousands on your fence, only to see it leaning, soft, and splitting a few years later. Their beautiful wood fence looked perfect on the outside, but underneath, rot had eaten through the posts. Rot usually starts where wood meets the ground. Moisture, insects, and poor drainage create the perfect storm for decay. And it doesn't just affect wood. Metal fences can rust too if not protected. Rot might be silent, but the damage it causes is loud and expensive. Here's how to build or maintain a fence that can resist rot for decades. Use pressure-treated wood. Always start with pressure-treated lumber, especially for posts. These are chemically treated to resist fungi, termites, and moisture. They cost a bit more, but they'll save you from replacing your fence prematurely. Add a gravel base for drainage. Don't just bury your posts in dirt. Add at least 6 inches of gravel at the bottom of each post hole. It lets water drain down and away from the wood instead of collecting and soaking it. Avoid or modify concrete installation. If you're using concrete, slope the top away from the post so water doesn't pool. Better yet, combine concrete with a gravel base to improve drainage. Trapped moisture is one of the biggest causes of rot. Use post sleeves or rot barriers. Post saver sleeves or bitumen wraps create a physical barrier between the soil and the wood. These protect the most vulnerable part of the post, the zone just above and below ground level, from rot and decay. Elevate bottom fence rails. Keep your horizontal rails at least 4 inches above the ground. If they're too low, they'll soak up splashback from rain and sprinklers, which speeds up rot. Regularly seal and stain the fence. Apply a weatherproof sealant or wood stain every 2 to 3 years. This protects the wood surface from UV damage and moisture, keeping it stronger and better looking over time. Maintain good yard drainage. If your yard puddles or slopes toward your fence, you're inviting trouble. Make sure water drains away from your fence line, not toward it. Use galvanized or stainless steel hardware use, hot dip galvanized or stainless steel fasteners. Regular nails and screws can rust, expand, and damage the wood over time, speeding up decay. Choose metal posts for longevity. For the ultimate durability, consider using metal posts with wood panels. They won't rot, and you can still keep that warm, natural look of wood across the rest of the fence. Preventing rot takes the right materials and experience. While it's possible to do it yourself, hiring a pro ensures your fence is built to last, with drainage, post protection, and sealing done right. Don't wait until it's too late. Call Con Fence Inc. today for long-lasting fence installations that resist rot and look great for years.